Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy S phones, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to back up your Samsung Galaxy phone to the cloud. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, why would you want to back up your Samsung Galaxy phone to the cloud? Well, that's pretty easy. A lot of times phones get stolen or lost, or sometimes they get damaged. As you can see, my phone is damaged right here, but if it sometimes is damaged to the point where you can't use anything on the phone. But if you have everything backed up to the Samsung cloud, then you can easily recover all your information and settings onto your new phone. But how do you back up your Samsung Galaxy phone to the cloud? That's what we're going to talk about. Pretty easy process, guys. Not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, be sure to check my description below. I'm going to try to leave those instructions for you in writing as well. So here on the home screen, what you want to do is get to the settings for your Samsung Galaxy phone by swiping down. Okay, so I went ahead and swiped down, and then you're going to get the settings for your Samsung Galaxy phone here. And what you want to do is click on this gear icon right here. It's this little black button. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, this drop-down menu is going to happen with your Samsung Galaxy phone. And in order to back it up to the cloud, you want to look for this line right here. It's got a little key, like a yellow key. It's called Accounts and Backup. I'm going to click there now. All right, I went ahead and click there, and then next this option menu pops up, and you want to click on this line right here called Backup and Restore. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and now in order to back up your Samsung Galaxy phone to the cloud, you have a couple of different options. And I might actually recommend that you use both of them just to be extra precautious. So this section right up here is if you want to back up your Samsung Galaxy phone to the Samsung cloud. Now Samsung, once you've opened an account with them, it's free to have, and they give you, I believe, up to 15 gigabytes per account. And then this section down here is if you want to back up your Samsung Galaxy phone to the Google Cloud in this section. So I'm going to go through the quick process of showing you how to do that on both accounts. So if you want to go ahead and back up onto the Google account and put your Samsung Galaxy phone data there, you can toggle this button right here, back up my data on this section. I'm going to toggle there now. Next, you'll need to go ahead and enter in your Google account that you'll be using for a backup. So how you do that is go ahead and click on this blue button right here, add a backup account now. I'm going to click there now. All right, next you can go ahead and choose which Google account you would like to use in order to back up your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you don't see the email or Google account that you want to use, go ahead and click on this add account here. Mine's already listed here because I use my Gmail for other functions of my Samsung Galaxy phone. So I'm going to go ahead and choose there now. All right, I went ahead and click there. Next, you're going to get this option, and it lets you know that it's going to back up your Google Drive to this email account. So make sure that is the correct Google Drive you would like to be using if you have multiple. Next, it also lets you know what's going to be included in this cloud backup for your Google Drive using your Samsung Galaxy phone data. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click this blue OK button. I'm going to click there now. All right, next your Google account should show up right there. And then that way, your Samsung Galaxy phone is backing up into the Google Cloud in the background. Next, in order to back up your Samsung Galaxy phone to the Samsung Cloud, you want to click on this line right here called Backup Data, because again, these two sections are for the Samsung account. I'm going to click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, if you haven't done this already, you will need to set up two-step verification in order to back up your Samsung Galaxy phone to the Samsung Cloud. In order to do that, if you haven't done so already, just follow the prompt. So I'm going to click Proceed here. Next, you want to read through that. If you agree to it, click this Setup Two-Step Verification here. Next, you'll want to enter in your Samsung account information with your email and your password. I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered that in. I'm going to click Confirm now. Okay, next you'll need to enter in your phone number, and that way Samsung can send a text message verification code. So I'm going to enter my phone number off screen now. Okay, so I went and entered in my phone number. I'm going to click Send now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and enter the code in that I received via text message now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click Go. Okay, so now the two-step verification has been turned on. I'm going to click Continue now. All right, now I have the option to go ahead and back up my Samsung Galaxy to the Samsung Cloud. Now, the cool thing about Samsung Cloud is that you can choose which options you would like to have backed up. And the most interesting part of it and the most useful part, I think, is the home screen. So here on the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy phone, you may change the layout of your apps or the different functions of the home screen. So you can choose to have that saved as well. That way, if you get a new phone, it automatically saves and uploads your data the same way you had it on your old phone. So go ahead and just choose through here which ones you would like to back up, which one you would not like to, so you can untoggle those, toggle the clock and the messages or whatever you want. Once you've chosen that, go ahead and click Backup. I'm going to click there now. All right, and as you can see, the Samsung Cloud automatically starts backing up your Samsung Galaxy phone. As each one becomes backed up, you get a check mark right here on the right. If you choose to stop, you can click this little stop button down here. All right, now the phone has been backed up. And then it's going to let you know the last time it was backed up. So we're recording this on April 30th. Once that's done, go ahead and click this screen to go back to the main menu. All right, so once you're here on the menu, you can see that the Samsung Galaxy phone has been backed up to the Samsung Cloud through here. Also, the Samsung Galaxy phone has initiated backing up into the Google Cloud as well right here. And you can see that the cloud is working right here on the top of the Samsung Galaxy phone. So there you have it. That is how you can back up your Samsung Galaxy phone to the cloud. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.